Hello and welcome to Chapter 3 of Python 3.4 Basics. In this video we're going to be talking about simple math with numbers. So ints and floats are the data type that covers numbers, and then also other data type that's very popular, strings, which we've already covered. So let's talk about numbers, ints, and floats. So with Python 3 you're able to treat it very much like a calculator. So we're able to do the following. We could say 1 plus 3, for example. And we can go ahead and save and run this. And 1 plus 3, well, it's not going to print it out for us, but we can do this. 1 plus 3, and it outputs 4. So instead what we could do is we could say print 1 plus 3, like that. And we get 4. Now, we're able to do basically all the operations. So to cover them, we could do plus 1 minus 3, 1 times 3, and 1 divided by 3. So for multiplication we use an asterisk, and for division a forward slash. So we can go ahead and save and run this, and we get all of these numbers. Now these are all integers, right? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3. These are all integers. Now a float is is basically a decimal number. So a float would be something like 1.5 divided by 3.6. These are floats. So we can save and run that. And those are your floats. So this is just simple mathematics. With Python 2, you couldn't do very smart division. So 1 divided by 3 would actually result in kind of a silly answer. It wouldn't actually result in 0.333. And you would have had to do 1 divided by 3.0 or something silly like that. But with Python 3 and greater, your division acts very normally, so not too much to cover there, just the notification that this is how you do mathematics. The next thing, too, that we can cover is something like exponents, for example. So say we want to do 4 to the power of 2. So we were hoping for an answer of 4 times 4, which is 16. So actually, let's print that out. So we print 4 to the power of 2, save and run that, and sure enough, we do get 16. So that's just some simple, how to do an exponent. So that's just simple mathematics with integers and floats, what they mean and all that, how to use them, and the symbols, maybe the multiplication, division, you wouldn't have known. But anyways, very simple topic. That's going to conclude this video. In the next chapter, what we're going to be covering is variables. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.